A team from London School of Martial Arts will participate in World Open Martial Arts Championship 2022, which will be held on Saturday, 22nd October in central London. Speaking to Chalta TV, Kaisar Khan, head of the London School of Martial Arts and Master Nazi, says, "Our team is fully prepared and we will get medals, inshallah."
My name is Kaisar Khan. I'm 9th degree black belt. I'm Chief Master of London Schools of Martial Arts, and we are going to participate next Saturday, which is 22nd, for World Championship. I'm taking my team, London Schools of Martial Arts, to take part next Saturday. So hopefully we'll win some medals. And our team is training really hard, especially our black belts. They're really training hard to achieve something good.
Yeah, we are here today to congratulate our students, and we are to encourage them to participate on next Sunday on 22 for the championship. And we are here personally to go with Kaisar Khan team on Sunday. And I wish everyone to have a very successful competition. It's a good journey for everyone to be there. Everyone will be a winner, hopefully.
My name is Seth, and I just promoted today a 5th degree black belt, and I'm training under Master Khan with the London School of Martial Art, and I'm really proud of to achieve this belt certificate, and I'm really thankful to my Master Khan, that he paid proper attention to bring me this level, and we are taking our team next Saturday, 22nd of this month, to the World Championship, and I hope that everybody perform well and they will become world champion.